Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you're all fine. You're doing your work very well. Now we are going to discuss our last topic of unit number 1. Now open your math book of page and open the page number 16. Today's topic is Roman numbers. Before starting its discussion, here are some words: smart words and algebraic numbers, Roman numbers system, and frequently. Here's some information lines for you. The number systems, we have 10 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and these are the Arabic numbers. This number system is presently being used in most parts of the world. Before the Arabic number system, the Roman number system was most frequently used. Presently, this system is often used along with the Arabic number system. The Roman number system is based on alphabets and symbols. You can see that here are some basic 10 numbers, all the counting based on these numbers, and these are called Arabic numbers. We can use in our mathematics, but in ancient time people used Roman numbers. Now we can use Roman numbers also in the parts where are sub parts of other of the questions. Then we used the Roman numbers. Here are some basic Roman counting. Here are 7 basic Roman counting numbers. Here is 1 denotes by I. In Roman counting, the 5 denotes by V. In Roman counting, 10 denotes by X. 50 denotes by L. 100 denotes by C. 500 denotes by D, and 1000 denotes by M. You can see that all the alphabets are written in capital letters. Okay, students, we only discuss about X in this class. Then you can be learn more about 50, 100, 500 and 1000 in your next class. So here are some Arabic numbers for you. Here are some Arabic numbers for you, and we can write these numbers in Roman numbers. Then you can see that the one is denotes by I. You can write it like this, and in for 2, here are 2. It is greater than 1. Then you can write 2I. It's mean ke it make 2 times 1 makes 2. And now it is 3. Then you can write 3 ones like this. Then you can see that the 5 denotes by V, but the 4 is smaller than 5. We can 1 minus from 5, then we get 4. So we can write 1 like this before V. Then it's mean that the 4 is smaller than 5. Then now the other number is 6. 6 is greater than V 5. Then you can add in 1 in 6. Then 1 and 5. Then we can get 6. Then you have to write like this. Then 7. It makes 5, 6 and 7. Then 8. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here is the now 9 and 10. 10 represents by X, and 9 is smaller than 10. So then we can 1 minus from 10, and it makes 9. Then 11. 11 is greater than 10. Then 10, we can add 1 in 10, then it makes 12. Then 10, 11, 12. Now 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. Now here is again 14, 10, and we can write 4 because 4 is smaller than 5. Then we can write 1 and 5, and it makes 14. Then now 15, 10 and 5 makes 15. 10, and now you can write it like this: 10, 5, 1 for 16. Then now 10, 5, 6, 7. Now it makes 17. Then here is 18, 10, 5, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Here is 19 and 20. So the 20 represented by 2x because 2 tens makes 20. The 19 smaller than, then you can write 110 and it's smaller than one number from 20, so you can minus from 1 from tens. So you can write it like this. Here are some Roman counting. I can show you how to write the Roman Arabic numbers into Roman numerals. So if you can write in also in capital or also in small like this. You can in your book or in your book on page number 17, these Arabic numbers, Roman numbers in capital and small, all are written for you. So you have to be learn it first of all, then solve question number 1. Write Arabic numbers for the following. Now there are Roman numbers given to you and you have to write their Arabic numbers. Now write the Roman numbers for the following. Here are some Arabic numbers given to you. Then you have to write in Roman numbers. Write the missing Roman numbers. So the next question, write the missing Roman numbers. Here are missing like 1, 2, then it is missing 3, then 4 and then 5. Then you have to do your own self part number C, B, C, D. Okay, take out your workbook. Now students, open your workbook. Open your workbook, worksheet number 7, page number 713. Here is the worksheet where you have to do as a homework. Write the missing Roman numbers and Arabic numbers. Here are some you can see that if it is in Roman numbers, so you have to write the Arabic numbers. Here it is write the Arabic numbers, you have to write in your Roman numbers. So this worksheet is given to you as homework. So I hope you can understand our today's topic. So best of luck. Allah Hafiz.